look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and sometimes just a little, see, look at it, even hitting it. Real, it's authentic. I screwed it up. Weird. Ooh. And today's topic is composition. And what I want to do is share a tip with you about how composition could make you maybe a little bit better. I don't know, could make you worse. I should say, everybody's results may vary. Yeah, let's go with that. All right, so seriously, I want you to think about composition. One of the things that I love to do is I seek out dynamic symmetry, and I also seek out the X. Oh, that's two things, and one more. Do I want to give you one more? I seek out the dynamic symmetry of my background, not just the subject matter, not just the X, but the background as well. Look for a balance in your photo, in your video, in your artwork, in your craft. There's also a certain symmetry that can happen in your writing. So whatever is it, so whatever it is that you're doing and you're creating, look for that composition, look for the flow, look for the ebb and the flow, the ebb and flow, like a sine wave. It goes up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Look for a sine wave when you're creating. What do you guys do? I'd really like to hear about it. You know, share it downstairs in the basement in the comments. You know, down by the kilt. I got a new kilt. I'm shrinking. I got a new kilt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'd show you, but then I have to move the camera and it messes up my composition, so I can't show you. But I got a new kilt. I'm super excited. Had to donate like almost all my kilts. It's crazy. So you guys, what do you guys do? Share it in the comments below. I'd like to be able to check it out. You can inspire me. You can inspire others. So that's it. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and just a little bit weird. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, the ding dong. We'll send a raven. You never know. Something may show up at your doorstep. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. You know what it is? Stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.